This is the show where two pros from two different worlds come together in Monterey, California. Today, we pair a golfer who's ready for the 2023 U.S. Women's Open at Pebble Beach with a local baking legend. This is Monterey Pro v Pro.
Hey guys, I'm Andrea Lee. I'm a professional golfer, and today I'll be going to Sweet Reba's in Carmel. Reba and I are going to be baking some tasty treats, playing some golf, and having some fun. Hi Reba.
Hi Andrea, how are you?
Good, how are you today?
Welcome in. Are you ready to
Thank
make
you
some
so much.
cupcakes?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Well, before we start, I have a little snack for you. These are our cinnamon donut muffins, and they're one of the most popular items we have in the
They
shop.
look really good. Oh my god, it's so good.
They're a little bit naughty, but you know.
So what got you started into baking?
My grandmother was a big influence on me, and she was really into French culture. And then as I got older, I just sort of became like the family baker.
Mm-hmm. I saw you were on Cake Wars.
Yes,
right?
I was. It was an amazing experience.
Yeah, very stressful maybe.
Very stressful.
Yeah.
You know, I've seen every episode ever made, and I remember thinking to myself, it can't be that hard.
Yeah.
It really was. The way you hold the bag is you kind of want to make like an L. You don't want to touch the board. You're going to be just right above it, and you're going to squeeze and pull up, and then stop squeezing and finish pulling up. Perfect.
My first decorated cupcake.
I love it. I love it.
You have great food up here in
Yes,
Carmel,
we
obviously.
do.
What would be kind of like your top recommendations?
Well, there's Vesuvio, Papaciano's, Fisherman's Wharf, Papachevo's, Cafe Napoli. Well, I guess it's Little Napoli now. Ooh, sushi. Harumi. Oh man, the seafood around here is so fresh. It's ridiculous. Yeah, we're very lucky. We're a little bit spoiled.
Yeah.
Now that you have done such an amazing job, we should probably try them.
Yes.
But I need to show you the correct way to eat a cupcake. So you take the cupcake and you take the bottom off and you put it on the top and you make a sandwich. And then we can cheers. We can say,
Cheers.
Yay!
Wow.
All right,
okay.
we're going in. Here we go.
You're obviously a pro at this, but now we're gonna do something in my wheelhouse. We're gonna
Do
go
it.
to Carmel Valley Ranch, and I'm gonna try and teach you some tricks.
I
Yeah.
wish you the best. I am here at the beautiful Carmel Valley Ranch, and I'm really excited to do this.
Are you really excited to do this?
No, I am not. If you could win any tournament, what would it be?
It would definitely be the U.S. Women's Open.
I thought that might be it.
Specifically at Pebble Beach this year.
Yes.
So that would be the dream come true for me.
I think it's gonna happen. I feel it.
Yes.
There are so many golf courses in the Monterey area. What are some of the experiences you've had on them?
I played Spyglass, Spanish Bay, Pebble Beach. Cypress Point was probably one of the most beautiful courses that I've ever played at. But yeah, I mean, I loved always coming up here to play some golf, and yeah, it's nice being
Good
out
stuff,
here.
right?
Yeah.
Have you played this course before? Do you know?
I have
Are
never
there any
played this golf
pointers?
course before.
What
no.
do you see when you
So,
look out there?
It's about 400 yards off this tee. That's kind of considered a long par 4 for us.
Okay.
There's a couple bunkers out there, but yeah, I think just right in the middle of the fairway on kind of like the right center.
Wow. Dang, girl.
All right, Reba, now it's your turn.
Oh, goody.
The left hand kind of goes
Okay.
like this, thumb kind of down the shaft. Oh my, oh!
Into the trees. Yes. Sweet.
You made contact though.
You started playing golf when you were 5?
Yes.
And your dad got you into it. Is he a big golfer? Or?
He plays like recreationally. When I was younger, we used to play a lot together. So yeah, almost 20 years playing this game, but I still love it. Thank you so much, Reba, for today. Thank you for your time. I had so much fun at the bakery, and I can't wait to be back out here in July for the U.S. Women's Open.
Yes, ma'am. Can't wait to make you that championship cake.
Yes, looking forward to it.
Yes. Winner.